you guys. Thank you for tuning into the channel today. So today we have such a great job, you guys. So this job is one of those recession-proof jobs, you guys. This job comes directly from Navy Federal. And if y'all don't know about the Navy Federal Credit Union, you need to know about it because Navy Federal is an establishment that has been there forever, you guys. Navy Federal is one of those institutions that will stand the test of time. So, you guys, I got to digging for y'all, and I found you guys a job on their website. This job is completely remote, you guys. This job pays up to $159,000. It is full benefits and no degree required. Y'all, we got to get into this job today because I want y'all to get this job, okay? All right, so let's get right down to it. Rewrite your resumes, you guys. You have to rewrite your resumes because those are the resumes that is going to land you this job, okay? That's why I created the virtual resume rewrite session. That virtual resume rewrite session literally is a no think, no work resume. A lot of my clients have used it, okay? They have used it, and when I tell you, they are landing big jobs, you guys, huge jobs. And we're going to get into the shout outs of the day, but you guys go get the virtual resume rewrite session. I have rewritten all of your skills, all of your experience, everything that you need to know to put on your resume. Sam has already rewritten it for you guys. Like I said, I know what they are asking for you, and everything is in their resume. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, and within 10 to 15 minutes, you will have a professional resume to submit for these professional jobs, you guys. Regular resumes will not do. The Indeed resumes will not do. The resumes that you had before, do not update them. Start out with a new resume, you guys. New skills, new experience, everything that you need. I have pre-written for you already. And did I tell you it is paying for you guys? So hey, most of my clients are landing these jobs even before their second installment is due. So you guys go get it, okay? So we're going to get right down to it. All right, so let's get to the shout outs of the day because the shout outs of the day is wonderful. Okay, so we got Brandon, okay? Brandon used to be a porter for the hospital, you guys. He used to be a porter for the hospital. He used the virtual resume rewrite session, and you guys, he rewrote his skills, okay? He rewrote his skills using the virtual resume rewrite session, and he now works for another hospital as their program manager, you guys. He went from making $60,000 to making $179,000 as their program manager using the virtual resume rewrite session. Brandon, I'm proud of you, okay? We got Laura. Laura used to work at a daycare, y'all. She used to work at a daycare, and now she works as a project manager. She makes $152,000. And then we have Leonardo. Leonardo said that he makes $142,000 as a project manager, okay? Rewrite your resume because in the virtual resume rewrite session, those transferable skills, you're going to use them so that you're able to land the job that you deserve, okay? And then let's get to the inspiration of the day really quick. The inspiration of the day is I am strong, I am resilient, I will make it, okay? My God will make the way out for me, and I know it because I know it's true, y'all. God will make a way out. We just have to be strong enough. We have to have faith, and we will not allow anything or anybody to conquer us, okay? You are the champion. Be the champion for your family. Like I said, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. That rewrite session has everything that you need on there. So if you are transferring industries, if you are a college student, use the skills and experience that I give you guys because those are transferable skills. transferable experiences. You guys rewrite your resumes for this job. This job is too good, okay? So let's get right into the job right now, because when I tell you, when you really get to see how easy this job is, you are going to want to put your resume in, okay? And I am suggesting you guys put your resume in early, because this job has a deadline. And we are going to go over another job tomorrow, okay? We're going to go over another job tomorrow from Navy Federal, because Navy Federal is such a good job, y'all. So let's get into the video right now. Let's go, you guys. Okay, you guys, so we are here. Okay, so let's get into the job info. So the job info is, the category is accounts payable. The posting date was the 10th, okay? The posting date was the 10th. This job will be going away on the 9th. Go put in your professional resume. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. That is 10 to 15 minutes so that you can put your resume in for this job, okay? You need a professional resume for this job. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session. Rewrite, okay? Use all of my pre-written skills, experience to cut, copy, and paste so that you can land this job. That's the whole purpose of the virtual resume rewrite session, is to land this job. Use the transferable skills that I give you guys. Use the experience. Use the bios. I've pre-written this. This is a pre-written virtual resume rewrite, you guys. Land this job. This job goes away on the 9th, okay? It says no formal education, job schedule full-time, you guys, full-time. So these are the locations, but this is a remote. It says remote position. It says no, but when you look into it, it is a remote position. It is actually a hybrid position, you guys. Hybrid position. So some of it is remote, some of it is hybrid. Some of you have to go into the headquarters every once in a while. So keep that in mind, okay? Keep that in mind, guys. All right, so the salary range is $95,000 to $159,000, really $160,000, y'all. Y'all go get this, go get this job, okay? Use that virtual resume rewrite session. Use the kit so that you can have a professional resume. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of this job, because this job is super simple and super easy, you guys. Let's go. You guys, so this is the assistant manager, accounts payable, but let's get into the job description. It says the assistant manager in leading the operations of the accounts payable department, which includes functions such as vendor record maintenance, invoice processing, payment disbursing, 1099 reporting, purchase card reconciliations, and grant incentive tracking and reporting. Assist with the development, periodic review, and update and maintenance of process, risk, controls, metrics residing within accounts payable function, partner in developing talent strategies, including talent development, succession planning, and lead the execution of talent strategy within the accounts payable functions. Partner with the manager in leading ongoing operational strategies and align with corporate and departmental strategic goals. So, you guys, what they're saying, they're not asking you to be the one that does the work. They are asking you to lead to be the assistant manager on their accounts payable team. This is to be honest, this is some of the stuff that you are doing at your jobs now, you guys. And like I said, they're going to be paying you more for this, okay? This is a leadership / management position. You need to have a leadership / management resume, you guys. You have to have let me tell you, you have to have a really excellent resume in order to land this type of job, you guys. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session. On the rewrite session, you are going to use every single skill, every single experience that I give you guys to align your resume with this job, okay? I want you to land this job. Those regular resumes will not do for this position, okay? All right, so let's get down to responsibilities and see what they are asking of you right now. Okay, so the responsibilities, you will lead the team. Like I said, this is a leadership slash management position. You have to be able to lead the team, you guys. It says lead the team to provide appropriate leadership to continue ongoing operations of accounts payable function, develop in partnership with the manager, talent strategy for account payable team to help them in development and growth by incorporating upskill, reskill, and data analytics into their roles and functions. So basically, you are going to be coaching and mentoring the team, and that is included in one of the skills on the virtual resume rewrite session. Use that whole line, you guys. Use that whole skill that I put on there to put on your resume. It's past partnering with other business units and vendors, take ownership of risk and control metrics, lead and or represent the team in meetings with business partners, develop and maintain an understanding of relevant industry standards, best practices, business processes, develop strategies to resolve system, operational, functional issues, align the strategic plan and initiatives of the team with corporate strategy and strategic plans, promote proactive best practice, approaches using department systems, stay abreast of and ensure compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and guidelines, performs other duties as assigned, okay? Including as manager in his or her absence. So what they are looking for basically they're looking for assistant manager slash manager, okay? They are looking for someone with leadership and management experience, okay? Use all of the experience that I have pre-written for you on the virtual resume rewrite session, okay, you guys? Because when you get the virtual resume rewrite session, all you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, okay? My resume kit is geared toward leadership and management because those are the jobs that pay the big bucks, you guys. All you have to do is literally purchase the kit, cut, copy, and paste, put your resume in. Land that job, okay? Land that job. That job is for you to land, you guys, okay? So you guys go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It is paid in full, okay? You need it and able to land this job because what they are looking for, what they are asking for, they are asking for a leader. They are asking for a manager, you guys. Be the leader, be the manager. I don't even care if you do not have the skill. If you do not have the skill, if you do not have the experience being a manager, even if you do and you're looking to transition into different industries, use the virtual resume rewrite session, okay, you guys? Okay, so let's get into the qualifications right now. Okay, let's go. Okay, the qualifications of this job is strong leadership. That is the first thing that they're asking you, okay? Strong leadership and interpersonal skills. The second is highly proficient in resolving conflict requests and meeting challenging requirements. Ability and desire to lead the team by developing talent strategies. Ability to manage multiple priorities independently, ability to see big picture without missing any critical details, highly skilled in working with cross-functional collaboration, ability and experience in leading the team and implementing projects, skilled at evaluating any operational reporting issues, bachelor's degree in accounting, business administration, or related field. Or, let's get into that, or the equivalent combination of experience, education, and training, okay? That or, there's an or in there, you guys. There's an or, okay? So you do not have to have a degree if you have the skills and experience. And you will have the skills and experience if you go get the virtual resume rewrite session, you guys. I have already written your skills, your experience, everything that you need to tell them. I have given to you in the virtual resume rewrite session. Literally cut, copy, and paste, babe. Cut, copy, and paste. Okay, it says this, the desired qualification: working knowledge of Navy Federal's human resources. It says experience in accounts payable, procure to pay related to overall vendor and invoice management processes, okay? That is what they're asking for. They are asking for experience. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session where I have already written your skills and experience for you guys. Everything is already there for you. So all you have to do is cut, copy, and paste, apply, and land this job, okay? All right, so let's get into the hours. The hours are Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4, okay? It says location. Now let's get into this location. Location. Navy Federal is now hybrid, you guys. Our standard enterprise requirement for a hybrid schedule is to report on site 4 to 16 days each month. The number of reporting days on site will ultimately be determined by the employees, leadership, and business unit needs. So what they're telling you is there's a minimum of 4 days that you need to come into work, you guys. Minimum of 4 days, okay? You will learn more throughout the hiring and onboarding process, okay, you guys? But y'all go get this job. Y'all go get this job. This job is, when I tell you, this job is absolutely too good to let go, you guys. Y'all go get this job. Go use the virtual resume rewrite session. Go use the virtual resume rewrite session to put your resume in for this leadership job. Do not use your old resumes. They are not going to do, you guys. Our job market is so very, very tight. It's not like it was last year. You have to come with the best, okay? And that virtual resume rewrite session will give you the best. So even if you don't have the skills, you don't have the experience, or even if you do and you're just transferring jobs, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. It is no think, no work. Easy peasy, you guys. I have already written your resume for you guys. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste. You guys have such an amazing, wonderful, beautiful day, you guys. Have a productive day. Go get the resume rewrite session and put your resume in for this job. It is literally paying for, and most of my clients, you guys, have already done it. They're landing their jobs. They are at their jobs. Take the leap of faith and do what you got to do. Okay, you guys? Have such a great, amazing day. See you guys on the next video.